Now the question is where you can easily find such data entry jobs in Pakistan. Fraudulent businesses charge registration fees when they are not affiliated with the government. Stay away from such companies and find a job that is real and doesn't charge a registration fee. Pakistani cities publish online data entry jobs every day. Visit this website hughjobs.pk where they publishing real and data entry jobs throughout Pakistan. Call center representative earn money online in Pakistan without investment. The second most popular online job to generate passive income is working as a call center agent or a representative. Equal opportunity available to both men and women in Pakistan. Someone with no prior experience is best suited for this job. In a call center agent job, a person receives calls and answers customers' questions. This job is open to matric pass holders, inter pass holders, BS degree holders, and anyone with relative experience. The second one is online tutor job. Earn money online in Pakistan without investment by becoming an online tutor. You can earn money without investment in Pakistan if you are qualified and unemployed. This job vacancy is for you. Unemployment increases day by day in Pakistan. The middle class and poor educate their children so that they can earn money in the future and improve their lives. Investment so much money in education. Children, they are trying to find job. They complete their education. After searching for a lot of jobs, they realized it is very difficult to get a good job without experience. For those with no experience, an online tutoring business is the best way to earn money. Google offers a wide range of tutoring websites and jobs. Find the best position and apply. You can also find online tutor jobs from all over Pakistan on our homepage. Social media manager jobs. Earn money online in Pakistan without investment. Social media accounts are very common these days. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. are just a few examples of social media applications used by everyone. In addition to managing people accounts, posting systems, handling comments, and improving brand awareness, the social media manager also assists in increasing sales. If you are skilled in handling accounts, you can also work as a social media manager. The next one is content writer job. Earn money online in Pakistan without investment for those who enjoy writing. Content writer is the perfect job. Out of 1,000 people, only one is a good writer. Now, Pakistan has many job vacancies for content writer. Education